You're going to want to lift in a flat-soled shoe like Converse, Vans, or no shoes at all. If you're going heavy, consider investing in a lever belt. To set up, you're going to make sure that the bar is set up for your active range of motion by possibly elevating with plates or boxes. Walk up to the barbell and keep your shins about a half an inch behind the bar. Stand slightly closer than shoulder width apart and keep your feet straight forward. You'll initiate the movement by driving your hips back until your shins make light contact with the bar. You want to grab the bar slightly outside of shoulder width. Once you have firmly wrapped your hand around the bar, you want to tuck your chin, take a deep breath in to brace your core, and think about flexing your lats as you take the slack out of the bar. Keeping that chin tucked, drive straight up leading with the chest, thinking about driving the hips forward. On the way back down, you want to think about driving the hips back and then bending the knees to allow for the plates to touch back down to a full stop.